Hello guys, welcome to channel. In this video we are talking about how to fix Koorui monitor no sound issue. To fix Koorui monitor with no sound issue, you have to follow some steps. First of all, you have to ensure the HDMI or DisplayPort cable is securely connected to both the monitor and the computer. After that, on your computer, go to the sound setting and make sure the monitor is selected as default audio output device. Then you have to update your audio and graphic driver. After that, check the monitor's on-screen display OSD settings to ensure the volume is not muted and is set to audible level. After that, you have to make sure the volume on the computer is not muted or turned down too low. Use a different HDMI or DisplayPort cable to rule out a faulty cable. It will help you to fix the issue. After that, connect the monitor to another device to see if the issue is persist or not. Hopefully this video help you to fix the Koorui monitor. And if you want to buy the product, I'll give you the link in the description. Hopefully this video help you. Thanks for watching.